everyone. I'm Kritika, and today we will be discussing about the HTML form. As you all know that already we have discussed about HTML tags, so we are going to move forward on HTML forms. So let's see what is HTML form, how we can use it, and what are its purpose, and how it is benefit to us in HTML. So as you know what is HTML, what are tags, and what are its uses, and now what is forms. An HTML form serves as a crucial tool for gathering user input, which is typically intended for transmission to a server for further processing. Creating HTML forms, several HTML elements and input types can be placed inside the form. Element to collect user input. Here are some common HTML tags and input types that are often used inside a form elements. Form is nothing but we can see like we are nowadays we are using each and every company is using, every company or education or government employees or government officers or any office we will be using form. It is nothing but a digitalized form where we create form using a form element. So for using that to create a form, we need several types of elements, tags, and how it is used, and everything I will be explaining here. Input. First element is input or tag. In this element is used to create various types of form controls, including text, inputs, radio buttons, checkbox, and more. The types attribute determined in the input types. In input only, we will provide the information what type of a button we are using and what types of boxes we want, like a normal or checkbox. And input type like text or button, everything we have to mention, then only we will come to know that what we want exactly. So when we are declaring, the syntax will be input type equal to text or input type equal to button or input type equal to checkbox. Like that we have to determine. Creates a single line. Here input type equal to text. It creates a single line text input. Text area used to create a multi-line text input field suitable for a longer text or a comments. Text area rows equal to 4, columns equal to 50, name equal to comments, hash by and we will end that element. Here we are giving information how many rows we want in our form and how many columns we need and what will be the name of that, like we want comments in that we want 4 rows and 50 columns, like that we are mentioning here. And select element, select this, this is used to create a drop down list that allows user to select on options, and option element used within a select element to define individual options within the drop down. For example, we can see that select element we used name equal to country, where option value equal to USA, United States, and option value equal to Canada, and then UK. We will give the some information within the select element so that it can be determined. Button tag. Button element used to create customs button which can trigger JavaScript actions or be used for a form submission. Button type equal to submit button or button type equal to reset. What kind of a button we want, we can mention here. Likewise, it will take the input from us. So label provides a label for form elements. For attribute associates the label with a specific input elements by matching the ID attribute of input. So label provides a attribute associates label input elements by matching ID attributes of the input. To assign or to write a label we want, like for what purpose we want label. So its syntax will be label for username, and in that we will write a text username and we will close the label element tag. So input type equal to text, ID equal to username, and name equal to username. These are some of the most common HTML elements and HTML inputs that can be used within an HTML form elements to collect user input. You can mix and match them to create complex form for various purposes. These are the basic like form elements. There are many more to go. So please stay tuned and please subscribe and do like and share our channel. Thank you.